YP_. Y'all know we lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you go follow me on there. So we are back with another hair video. Y'all know I love doing these hair videos. I love slaying my wigs. I love slaying my units, all of that, okay? This video is sponsored by YG Hair. They sent me this unit. All the details for the unit and the specific link to this wig will be down below in the description box. So make sure y'all go check that out. Girl, I just decided to go with like some loose, effortless type of wig. Like a nice little bump in the front. Kind of give it that old Hollywood type of look. You know the vibes, right? Okay. So, yeah. I'm gonna stop rambling so we can get into this video. Make sure again check out the links down below so y'all can purchase this wig if you are into it, girl. Yeah, I love it. It's really nice. I love the frontal. We had a few mishaps in the beginning because girl, I had to get it together, but it turned out so bomb. This HD Swiss lace, bomb, like so bomb. Like, hey guys, so today we are bringing another hair video, girl. So today's hair video is sponsored by YGwigs. So they sent me this unit in this cute little bag, girl, okay? So let me just pull out everything that they gave me. So it came in this box right here. Yes, I love when they go into all detail about like how they package their stuff. You open it up, you have a little package, like a little hair kit, whatever you want to call it. So let's see what's in here. Oh, this is so cute. It got a whole booklet with the girlies on it. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yes, this is so cute. It like goes through all the different styles that they have. This is real. This is nice. Look. That's dope because you can literally just go in there and see exactly what you get and like what other wigs you could possibly get. This is so cute. I love the detail that they put into it. They also sent me a pair of lashes. We love that for them. They sent me a two-sided edge baby hair brush or whatever, so that's cute. They also sent me a stocking cap. Never can go wrong with a stocking cap, okay? They also sent me a pair of gold hoop earrings. Okay, period. Then they also sent me, I think this is a little clip piece, like if you need to make your wig tighter, you put that on the back of that. They sent me some business cards. Yes, ma'am. Okay. And then last but not least, they sent me some hair clips to hold the wigs back. We love that. We love it all. And of course, last but not least, they sent me this wig, girl. I took her out of the pack already, put her on one of my mannequin heads, but yeah, she is literally giving. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is the unit that they sent me. This is a 13x6 HD Swiss lace wig. It is 20 inches and it's 150% density. So yeah, she's looking real nice. I feel like she's going to give a nice natural kind of like a slayage. Like I'm not really going for like something bottom. Like I'm going for something that's like looking a little bit more natural. Give it some nice curls, a nice little side part or something like that. So I'm excited. The best part about it, number one, they already got the period. Okay, I am going to change it into a side part because I've been doing a lot of middle parts, but I still think she's going to come out real nice when you flip her over and make her look real cute. So well, one thing that I'm not used to is they have like a built-in cap kind of already built into the frontal, which I'm not used to it, but I'm actually really excited to see how it turns out. So I'm excited for that. And then I got this one. I think I got the color beige. So they come in different colors. I think it comes like dark brown, beige, something like that. So I ended up just going for beige because I feel like if it was too light I can just tint it, but I think honestly I think it's perfect. I think I got just the right color. So that's really nice. The lace, like it is Swiss, so no bleaching is honestly necessary, girl. I'm not gonna lie. So we gonna really see how this really holds up. We're gonna see what it's looking like when I put it on my head. So girl, yeah, shout out to YGwigs for sending me this unit. I'm about to try her on, put her on my wig, put her on my head, and we just gonna get into it, okay?
Just
if I can see it on camera though, but the actual wig cap that comes with, like, installed on the wig isn't my color, so no biggie. So what I'm gonna do is just go in with, like I said, I'm a tinted kinda, so I'm gonna go in with my concealer in a second. The implants are being so rude. Prayers to whoever is in need of them. But yeah, I'm gonna just go in with my concealer to kind of tint it and make it match more, because the lace itself giving. The lace itself is very much giving. I think the Swiss lace is probably my favorite lace. After, well, like after that will probably be the HD lace. But the Swiss lace, if you're ever looking for an extra, like, a lace to get, like what type of lace to get, I highly recommend the Swiss lace. I swear it literally is scalp. It literally only gives scalp. So Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. Again, shout out to YG Hair for sending me this unit. I decided to just go with like kind of like some loose, effortless kind of curls. Give it a little bump in the front to give it that old Hollywood look, you know what I'm saying? Again, girl, shout out to YG Hair for sending me this unit. I'm gonna leave all that links down below in the description box so y'all can go check them out and shop with them. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know how y'all like this wig. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video.